Hello, first graders, and welcome back to another day of distance learning. Before we get started, I want to say happy Cinco de Mayo to everyone. Today is May 5th, 2020. I wish we were at school right now, but we're not. So take this time out to enjoy Cinco de Mayo. Let's get into the book or the lesson for this week. Our IB connection is thinker. A thinking scholar can think critically and creatively to solve challenging problems. They contribute to class and group discussions, and they ask follow-up questions. For our thinking job on yesterday, the question was, what do you think Kojo will use the money to buy, and why do you think he will buy it? I saw some great answers on yesterday, but me personally, I think Kojo will use the money to buy something to help his mom. I also think that, or think this because they don't have that much money and food to eat. All right, so let's get into our read aloud. Yesterday we stopped here where Cujo had asked his mom for a small loan. So let's continue reading. It says Cujo's idea is to buy a hen. Who got it correct? Clap 2 times and dab if you got it correct. He and his mother will eat some of the eggs it lays and sell the rest at the market. There is a farmer in a neighboring village with many hens, and Cujo will ask to buy one. It takes Cujo 2 hours to walk to the chicken farm. By this time he arrives, he is hot and dusty. He wonders how he will know which hen to choose. There are so many. Cujo tries to look over all the chickens. A white one pecks the ground near his foot. Should he choose this hen? A speckled one flaps her wings and clucks. Perhaps she is the one. All at once, Cujo spies, or he looks at, a plump brown hen with a bright red comb sitting in her nest and puffing out her feathers. She looks as if she would enjoy laying eggs. Now he doesn't have to think. He knows in his heart that she is the one. Cujo pays for the brown hen and puts her in a wicker basket. He gently covers the hen with a cloth and lifts the basket onto his head. As he walks home, he dreams about the future and he sees a lot of eggs in it. Eggs to eat and, if he is lucky, eggs that he can sell to buy more hens. That night, he puts the basket with the hen beside his bed mat to keep it safe. So here's a picture of Cujo, and it says, "This is the hen that Cujo buys with the loan he got." So as you can see, he has the bird or the hen covered up. Cujo makes a nest for his hen from an old wash powder box and checks it for eggs every day. On the first day, he finds nothing. On the second day, still no. But what is this? In the corner under some straw, a smooth brown egg. Cujo is lucky. Indeed, his hen does seem to enjoy laying eggs. She lays 5 eggs the first week. Cujo and his mother eat one egg apiece, and he saves the other three for the market on Saturday. On market day, he walks among the stalls of fruit, vegetables, meats, kente cloths. There's that word. We'll go to it in just a second. And calabash. There's the other word, bowls. He finds a good place to set down his small basket and call out for customers. Cujo sells 2 eggs to Ma Achimpong and one to Ma Duodong. He clutches his egg money tightly so he won't lose it. He is about to pack up his basket and go home when he finds another treasure. Loose grains and bits of fruit falling on the ground that can feed his hen. Slowly, Cujo's egg money grows. After 2 months, he saves enough to pay his mother back. In 4 months, he has enough to buy another hen. Now Cujo can sell 5 eggs a week. And he and his mother have more to eat. After 6 months, he buys a third hen. And he and his mother have an egg a day. Cujo is proud of his eggs, and his mother is proud of Cujo. Bit by bit, one small hen is making a big difference. And it says here, these are the eggs that Cujo sells from the hen he bought. So you can see the eggs here. So let's go to those words that we ran into. Kente cloth. Kente cloth is, do you guys remember from yesterday? It's the cloth of the Ashanti people in Ghana made of woven fabric strips. And then our next definition was calabash. Calabash is a big fruit that grows on a vine that can be eaten as a vegetable or dried and used as a bottle or utensil. But in our book's case, it was turned into you guys remember? Yes, it was turned into a bowl. All right, let's get into our thinking job for today. Guess what? There isn't a thinking job for today. Enjoy your Cinco de Mayo. Have fun. I will enjoy mine. And I look to see you all on tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye, you guys.